Hello guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. If you naturally have those wavy hair, or you have those thin hair, this today video is a great option for you to really update your look, because it's a hairstyle that will turn eyes in every occasion. And one thing with this style is that it's a bold statement haircut, and whether you have the thick hair, the thin hair, or any kind of hair type, you may also need the product in my description box for that regular maintenance, to always keep them in place, and have this at the back of your mind that those products are really worth the effort. So this hairstyle, you can see, is the natural hairstyle, and it's a both hairstyles that are for hair trends, and these hair trends, they are here to stay. So why not try, if you're still contemplating to go for the big job, and go for this kind of style on your screen, because it will naturally look great on every beautiful black woman's face. So if you really like the idea, of really having this haircut, one thing I want you to know is that it's an easy option to try, and if you don't like it, you can just let it go out. This haircut, you can see, and one of the best softening haircuts for you to use, because it's a new month, and many out there, like the month of love, Valentine, and so on. So many women are either looking for the kind of hair that will best suit their personal style, and I would like you guys to go for this beautiful, lovely, and easy haircut that are lovely for beautiful black women. Your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate you all. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.